Welcome to qnawire.
So basically what I have is that I have a solution of a specified volume and a specified concentration. And it has a particular amount of solute in terms of mole. And what I do is that I add water, which means I have increased the volume. However, the amount of my solute, or the number of moles, is the same. And I'm asked to determine C2, knowing V2. And so from here, I could determine the number of moles, and I could use that in order to determine C2. So in my first example, the number of moles of HCl is basically the concentration times the volume. In my case, I'm given the concentration to be 6.25 molarity, and molarity is moles per liter. So let's write it on the side. 1 m equals 1 mole per liter. And I need to multiply it by the volume, which is 22.5 milliliters. As you could see, the units are different, so I'm going to do this trick. It's as if I'm multiplying by 1. Here I want to cancel the liter in the denominator, so I put 1 liter in the numerator. And I know that 1 liter is equivalent to 1000 milliliters. This cancels out with this cancels out with this. And what I end up having for the number of moles is 0.140625 moles. From there, I could determine concentration 2, which is the number of moles, which is the same between 1 and 2 over V2, which is 0.14 moles divided by the volume or multiplied by its reciprocal, and my new volume is 0.5 liters. And this would give me 0.319 moles per liter, or m. The second example is exactly the same. First, I calculate the number of moles, which is basically my volume times the concentration, which is 8.25 milliliters. And here I'm going to do the conversion. I know that there are 1000 milliliters for each liter. And C1 is 2 times 2 to the power minus 2 moles per liter. And so I would get 1.65 times 10 to the power minus 4 moles. All right, and so my second concentration is basically the number of moles over the new volume, which is 1.65 times 10 to the power minus 4 moles. And I'm gonna divide it by, now I have 12 milliliters, and I'm gonna do the same trick of conversion again. I have 1000 milliliters for each liter, and what I end up getting is 0.0138 moles per liter, which is equivalent to molarity.